Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the occasion, the stage, and of course, it's so good to see you. Congratulations on this, sir. Sir, we've been told that you were like amongst the first few to watch the movie because BGM bhi kar rahe the. So talk to us about that, sir. What made you say that yes, this is the movie, and of course the response that we're getting right now.
Yeah, I think I started with Tamil films and then I did Telugu dubbing and Hindi, everything. And I was waiting for the right movie in Telugu to come. And this is the one.
Wow.
So I was waiting, I was pushing, like people used to come for Telugu movies. But when he told me this story and his passion in the eyes made me feel like this is my first movie in Telugu. And I think it's beginning now. God, thanks to Butchi and Ramcharan and Satish, thank you.
Rahman sir, if there was one thing that actually stayed with you, is film say, what would that be, sir?
I personally think like anything you take, if somebody goes deep within the subject and pulls the best from every artist, that could be the great film. Like, apart from success or failure, I think it's going to be a great success, God willing. For me, I feel like gone to the depth, every frame this man is shining. Every frame. And I can see the hard work, and physically, spiritually, mentally, and a great honor. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
One last thing, sir. There was this viral video of yours, of course, Butchi Babu, sir, and everybody is talking about it. And he was the first person to say that I would want Chikri Chikri to be heard by a random person. मतलब ऐसी testing आपके गानों की मुझे नहीं लगता सर इससे पहले कभी हुई होगी. So what do you have to say about that?
I think he started during COVID, right? So he came to Dubai,
right.
And Chikri was the first tune, and he said, very good. And then I did a few other things, and then continued in Chennai, then we went to Hyderabad. So he seems very sweet, but he's not. He's a tyrant.
You said it, sir.
He's a tyrant. He's a very, very soft and very nice, lovable guy. But he said, can you give another tune? Can you give another tune? Can you change the voice?
Right.
But then that's what makes a person, excel, I think. All for the movie. All for you. Janvi, thank you. Yesterday I was watching your mother's movie. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Rahman saab ke liye ek baar zordar taaliyan, ladies and gentlemen. And now, let's do it properly, ladies and gentlemen. I think ye deserve karte hain. Taaliyan, seetiyan, and of course a lot of love and a